The first object is the grass, and the second object of my photograph today is the bird. And this bird is like the adult one. The length of the bird is like 25 centimeters, maybe a little bit more or a little bit less. The name of the bird is a lotus bird. So lotus bird is the familiar name of the bird because it lives in the fresh water, in the billabong of lake, and then just jumping from one spot to another, and especially on top of the floating leaf of the lotus flower or lotus plants. So jumping, just small jumping, or even fly a little bit just to get the shade around the lake, and also the small insects. So this bird eating. So the name of this bird is lotus bird, or the official name may be I forgot the name. Comb-crested jacana. It's like just I believe this bird is a freshwater bird. So it's not many in this area, and maybe not many in Australia, because I think the numbers or the population of this bird is decline or decreasing, other words, because of or due to the loss of the habitats and less water. So we need to protect this bird. It's a very beautiful bird, and hopefully at the moment I can take the videos and the photos of this beautiful birds, the lotus birds. Yeah.